My fellow Decepticons, it is I, Star Screamsalot here, coming back at you today with another short. I'm doing something for Christmas-ish. How we all had a Merry Christmas, and I got some things. Little haul. I bought some stuff. So let's just do a quick unboxing, I guess. So let's just get right into it. This is not my usual setup, but you know, the first thing that I got. SH Figuarts Chainsaw Man from the Reze arc. Oh, this makes me real happy. You have no idea. We'll put that guy eventually. Then I got Studio Series 86 Mixmaster. So yeah, the Constructicons are done for me now, which is very nice. And lastly, so I'm gonna get out of this stupid bag. A little surprise. I'm not opening that on YouTube, by the way. But yeah. This is the stuff I bought. Yeah. See you. Nah, you thought I would leave without doing an unboxing. I have to. So let's see if I can do this with one hand. And I don't have my stand with me, so... Oh no, this is not gonna go super well. Oh dear. This might be so cool. I love Chainsaw Man, and I love the Reze arc. Ooh, that was a bad idea. But let's just get my grubby little fingers in there. Okay. It's quite difficult without a stand. Let's shoot to the side. Yo, that looks awesome. Little position changing. Where's the... That could have gone smoother. Oh boy. First Figuarts, by the way. Oh, and his jaw came off. That's really cool. And you'll just get Mixmaster's unboxing tomorrow. Bye, gang.